Oh no, please don't do me dirty like this. Come on. No, 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 no. I know how to grate cheese. You are made of pixels and did not go to culinary school. No! Ugh!
Hey, Abby, your phone was going off like crazy in the kitchen. Oh, gosh, are you okay?
Believe me, Sam, Cooking Mama is not as sweet as she seems. Her smile is a lie.
All right, well, here's your phone.
Oh my god. It's today.
You okay?
Casey is coming over today.
Oh, that chick from your lecture class.
She's not just any chick from my lecture class. She's like the smartest, prettiest girl in the entire school. Please, I don't know how to cook. You have to help me. I will do anything.
Bigfoot Club doesn't run itself.
He's not even real.
You don't know that. There's proof.
Sam, please, if you do this, I will get you those night vision goggles that you've always wanted, and you can use them to hunt Bigfoot. And please, I will do anything.
Tempting. But no, you're on your own for this one. I have got a Squatch to hunt.
Maybe you can. What do I do? Oh, okay. I have them. Oh, okay. Now. Oh, okay. It's, this is all right. Is this, okay. Knife and the board. The board. Right now? Okay. Ow! But I'm not even ready! I'm not even sure, how do I... Is it this way? Or... I'm trying! Are you sure after the whole avocado incident? Is this how you... My roommate usually just uses a knife. Okay. I can't get it to... Maybe this way? Is there usually this much water? Okay. Okay. Here goes nothing. This is gonna be fine. This will work. It's easy peasy. do this.
And one word. Abby, it's Casey. I'm here.
Mama, please put down the knife. No, we can work through this.
Are you okay?
Just a second.
Hey.
Hey.
Cooking up a storm in there.
Yeah. Come in. It's cold out there.
Thank you. Oh wow, this is such a cute place.
Thank you. We worked really hard on it.
Yeah, it looks really good. I love it.
Thanks.
Oh,
Do you want me to take your coat?
Oh, sure.
It gets really
if you
hot in
don't
here.
mind, you can take.
Yeah, of course. If you want to go into the tables right over there, I can grab
okay.
the food and like some other things last minute. If
I
that's good.
should go over there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I'll be right in. Stay.
Oh, wow. That looks really good. You made it yourself?
Yeah.
Yep. That looks amazing.
Thank you.
It looks really cute. I love the heart. Oh, sure.
Here you
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Looks delicious. Should I wait for you or should I just?
Oh,
I'll wait. No, I'll wait.
Yeah, no.
All right, let's dig in. Well, it looked really good. But how about I take you out to Chipotle instead?